What's going on, my fellow Dapper? Let's talk about getting stuck, being stuck, right? First of all, to be honest, congratulations that you've come to a point where you're stuck. You're like, what? Of course. Because if you don't care about your life, if you don't care about your growth, if you don't feel like this is not who you must be right now, and you need to do something else, however, you don't know how yet, great. You got stuck, and that's perfect because it means that you want more of you as a father, more of you as a man, more of you as a husband, more of you out of life. Whatever it is great that you're stuck, and I know it doesn't feel that way. However, it is absolutely fantastic. Hey, what's going on, Sal? Thanks for joining me, man. My name is Klaas. I'm the founder of Become a Fearless Father. I'm here to help all you Dappreneurs to get to a point where you can have it all. Be an amazing man, be an amazing father, being an amazing husband, and having a thriving business. So let's go. Getting stuck, right? So you understand that, wow, that sounds fantastic, Klaas. I want that. Great. Oh, but I don't know how. And I get that all the time. Man, I want to change. I'm stuck. I don't like my job. I have my daughter. I hardly see her. I have my son, and I hardly see him. I got my kids, my boys, my daughters. You know, there's some people that have a lot more than just one kid, and they're like, I want to give them more of me, more stuff, right? More clothes. I'm not very much into clothes, as you can see, right? I live a simple life. However, there's tons of people that do, and that's great, right? It's good for the economy to buy stuff. So now we're stuck. We're stuck in a job, or we're stuck with ourselves. Whatever it is. It's important to get unstuck, right? So what do? And here it comes. Write out what it is that you want to achieve, right? And we're all stuck about how, because we have this here where we want to go, and it looks so far away. And we forget that we need to focus on this here that is right in front of us. What is the actual step that I can take right now? And it's simple. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's simple. It is gaining clarity. So just write out what you want first. And then comes the second part. And it might be even the most important part. And that is not how. It is why. Why do you want this? What's going to change when you get what you want? Who's it going to change? Who's it going to be great for? Whether that's your kids, your wife, yourself, people around you, people that you don't know yet, whose lives you want to impact. Whatever that is, write that all out, right? And then write out as well. So I call that the $1 million bag. The reason why you must do this, where the goal is at, what you want to run towards, right? Still not talking about how. Then you're going to write out what those big wolves, and a pack of wolves behind you that want to bite you because they look, you look like a juicy piece of meat. And they're hungry, right? And they're at the other block looking at you. You're looking at them. You're like, whoa. So now you write out, what does that mean? What are those wolves? Let me see. What is that tiger? What does that tiger represent? Right? So you run fast as you can from that tiger and as fast as you can towards that goal, towards that money, right? Figuratively speaking, right? Now, once you got that out, now you're hungry, and that's where you got to be. And now it's just a matter of thinking like, okay, what's my first step? My first step is clarity. What do I like to do? What do I love to do, right? I mean, I've been so stuck in my life, and it's like, wow, I didn't know what to do. And at a certain point, I was just like, man, I love being a father. I love going live. I love to talk to people and give them as much value, help them out. So what did I start doing? I just started going live. I just started interviewing other Dappreneurs that are way further than me on my show, talking to them, just picking their brain all the time, gaining more knowledge, gaining more clarity, right? Asking other people, hey, listen, man, I'm stuck. I don't know what to do. What do you think I should do? Or what can you advise? What are you doing, right? I mean, nobody can tell you like, oh, this is what you should do, because people come from an excited point. I would tell you like, coach, right? And you're like, coach, no, I can't do that. So exactly, that doesn't help, right? I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm trying here to teach you so you learn from me how to do it on your own, right? How to find clarity. So one way is just keep asking people, keep studying, not studying, but researching what are other people doing. Do I like this? No. Do I like that? No. Do I like this? Kind of. Okay, I'll write it over here. Do I like this? Yeah, that actually sounds pretty cool. All right, write it down. Write out why do you like it, right? Keep analyzing everything. So once you got that done, just keep moving forward. What's the next step? What's the next step? Keep writing that out. And I hope that makes sense because it's so important. Now, one of the other tricks that I did to make sure that I got clarity, and this is not for everybody because I know some people think like, oh, that's a little too much hooby-jooby, but I would just sit either in my chair or, give me 1 second, on my meditation pillow, right? And I would just sit and relax, close my eyes and breathe, relax for a while, and then ask myself, what is it that I want? Right? What is it that I must do? What's my purpose? Whatever that is, right? So once you got that done, then you start planning. Every single week, you plan out your life and your work, and you plan. And why is that so important? Because that way you can set your clear steps. You set 4 clear steps every single week to get done for your life and for your work, right? I do this every Saturday evening or Sunday morning, depending how crazy my Saturday evening has been with the kids and with my wife and stuff. And I execute, right? I don't sit there like, oh, I don't know. Don't know. That's what we got to try and find out, okay? So if you're not planning and you're stuck, make sure to reach out to me. Write down in the comment section, #plan, and I will share with you. It will be my gift, my pleasure. I want to help everybody that I can. So I'm giving to you my weekly planning template. I'm sharing that with you. Plus, I will share with you the video where I explain one step after another how to fill out the document the right way and profit from it to the max. All right. So again, #plan in the comment section, and I will get in contact with you, and I will send you my weekly planning document plus the video. All right. Have an amazing weekend, guys. Appreciate all of you. Thank you for being here with me, and I will see you very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.